Going to grab some food. Get good foods. Hope it's garlic bread. Or chicken. Or both. You made it. Congrats! Congrats on the safe arrival. You just wanted to see Gremlin Moose again. Fair enough. Grim is also a fan of the Gremlin Moose. He has said I should change it so the redeem lasts longer. I should probably do that. Oh! Speaking of chicken, Mr. Moose has just brought me some chicken. Very early for chicken, but thank you, darling. Mwah, love you. Love you, bye. I have just acquired chicken. I'm not really hungry for chicken right now, but I'll eat the chicken at some point. You're playing World of Warcraft, just made it to Booty Bay. Booty Bay. Booty Bay sounds so fun. Gonna get that booty. This is very finicky. I might have to cut this with a craft knife because I don't know if I can get the scissors in there to maneuver this correctly. See, it's not quite, it's 10 to 12, so it's a bit early for chicken. He was obviously hungry. There we go. It's 6 AM, maybe you should go to bed soon, but you've only just made it to Booty Bay! Gotta get that booty, you know? I've never actually played WoW more than like, I played it for maybe an hour once, many years ago. And that's it. That was my entire time with WoW. So, and when I say many years ago, I'm talking like many years ago. You've been playing just over a week. How goes? How goes the World of Warcraft? Is good? Hearing it summoned you back? Ah, okay. Are you a long time vet of Warcraft? In here. I can smell the chicken and now I'm like, a good chicken. Just a wrath baby. I don't know what that means. Fresh? I don't, no idea. Okay, we're making feathers. This does not wish to become feather. No. Wrath is basically classic. Ah, okay, I see. No, so my entire experience with it was I loaded it up, I made a character, I went to the first area, and didn't really know what I was doing. I was just looking around, and someone very kindly just like gave me a bunch of stuff, and I was like, I didn't ask for any of it. This guy was just like, here, have all this, and he just gave me loads of gear, and I was like, thank you, and I didn't really know what to do with it, and then I never loaded into it again. I don't know why this person just gave me a bunch of stuff. Maybe it was NPC. I don't even know. I was like, I don't know what's happening right now. So. But this was like, God, how many years ago? 15 years ago? So, who knows? Yeah, so a little bit a couple of years after. Right, that goes in here. Push it in. I do want to play Final Fantasy though. The online one. Let me shove this feather in here. This is very finicky. In you go. There you go. Look at that. Look how fun that is. A little inkwell with a feather pen. It's so cute. There we go. I'll try and put that down and hope it doesn't, like, break. You go there. There we go. And I get to make an envelope. Fold and glue with love. Lucky love. Okay. Envelope with K11.